This is our business model canvas entitled Organic E-commerce Platforms that links farmers directly to the buyers. First, the K partner. We have here the FDA. The reason why FDA is our K partner is because these applications is about selling foods. If we talk about selling food, we need to have the approval of FDA.
Next is the seller, because this application is intended to the farmers, which is the seller.
And our activities are product selling and marketing. One of the major activity of our application is kanang magbaligya og product gikan sa farmer.
And next is the key resources. So the key resources is our application and as the developer.
The value proposition are healthy vegetables and fruits and the targeted marketing. Our customer relationship is pwede siya self-service o pwede po siya automated. When we say automated is gamit ni buyer ang kadtong application sa iyahang pagpalit sa produkto.
Next is channel. Through ani nga channel, pwede nimo ma-communicate ang mga buyer. We have here the social media, video call, and the application chat box.
Ug mao niya mo ang customer segment. We have the user and the enterprise.
Next is the cost structure. So one of the financial costs sa building this application is the server.
Last, we have revenue stream. We have commission and advertisement. Through ani nga revenue stream is diri may maka-gain og or maka-earn og money about sa amo ang application.